matte paint finish that absorbs light for a touch of softness and luxury. The Shadow Matte Gray of Sportage and the Moonscape Matte Gray of EV6 require extra care. Check if there are any pollutants or severe stains on the vehicle before washing. Clean these spots first if needed. Spray water to remove dust or any pollutants. You must use cleaning products intended for matte paint and remove stains by using a microfiber cleaning cloth. Do not wipe in circles. Instead, gently wipe up and down or left and right and remove any residual cleaning product. After removing the stains, use the matte paint cleaning product to wash the car. Do not use a dry washcloth. Instead, use a wet one and wipe the car from top to bottom, section by section. Before moving on to the next section, finish by spraying water and completely dry the car by using a moist microfiber towel. If you need to clean the wheels, do it before washing the car. You must use a separate cloth for cleaning the wheels as well as a special cleaning product for coated wheels.